Hey, good evening. This is Clay with Clay's AC and Auto Repair and Clay Motion here in Grand Rapids, Michigan. If this video is helpful, please like, share, most of all, subscribe. Click the notification box for me. Remember, you can't break what's already broken, so you might as well try to fix it. So today, my daughter's glasses got broke. Yeah, she has a pretty serious eye disability. She wears fairly thick glasses. We're all about blind in the Rogers household, but myself included. The dog ate the arm. So what we did was we found us a pair of reading glasses. We looked at the arms, made sure they were pretty close. With my eye disability, I couldn't get the little teeny tiny screws back in there. Even though I think the arm I think they're so darn close they're probably made in the same factory. But for a quick fix, we just had taken these safety pins and stuck them down in the holes. Actually, we ran them across the top of there like that, but it looked really bad. And it's still the weekend, and school's starting up tomorrow, and she didn't want to look totally terrible with safety pins sticking off the side of her glasses. So we found this little flower around the house, and the reason that I point this out is these little things on here were like little metal. They were stiff, but they were still malleable. So I just, as you can see, I cut them off, bent them up. Glasses actually function. She's able to wear them till we're able to actually go to the eye doctor and get her a new pair. But I hope this is helpful. If anybody else can do it, you can do it too. Don't be the next to them. Be the first to you. Remember, you can't break what's already broken. God bless you guys. Subscribe. Click the notification box. Have a great day.